Igbo Union. Anything I'm doing for Igbo Union.
Okay.
Yes. Then we fought the war. Ojukwu, I know him in person and everything. My elder brother was his. They had another army. Just horse and all the lots. So, yeah, go on, all of them I know.
Tell us how long you have had this.
Yeah. Since the war started, we made this in London here. And the hat. And many other things. The envelope, the badge, the singlet, the Biafran football team, the tie. I have all of this.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamavapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabibi, Agamabapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabibi, Biafra gadi.